been a really dangerous place for me ever since I discovered same-day delivery. And a lot of like little tidbits have been launching throughout January that really caught my eye. So there haven't been like a ton of major collections, but like this brand would launch this brand would launch this brand would launch this. And I want a piece of it. So I have a Sephora haul today for you, as you can tell from the title. I did another one a couple weeks ago, but even more has launched. So I want to share with you my most recent couple of orders. So first things first, let's start off with primer. So One Size finally launched something hydrating, right? I love One Size products. I think they're really great, but my skin, she suffers, okay? I have dry skin. His products are mostly made for oily skin people. They're made to last, drag queen inspired kind of products. So he launched the One Size Secure the Glow Tacky Hydrating Primer, and it's so cute because it looks like it has little boba in there. But as somebody who is really, really dry, I'm excited for this, and I'm excited to see how this pairs with his other products to see if this changes the wear of them. But honestly, I really like the consistency of this so far. You do get the little bubbles. It felt really lightweight. I used it today for the first time. It does have a nice hydration to it, but it also feels lightweight. And then you let it set for a little bit, and it gets a little sticky as well for those of you that like that tacky base. This does have a little bit of tack to it, but for me the major thing is I like the level of hydration that I get from this, and it feels really lightweight. That was more so what I was going for as opposed to tack. It doesn't feel super tacky if I'm being honest. It is no Milk Hydro Grip Primer, but I don't need that. I don't require that. This has like just enough after it's set down. It takes like a little bit, 30 seconds or so for you to feel the stickiness, but you'll feel it there. So I think this is perfect for dry skins people, especially if you do like that tacky feeling. To me, I much prefer the feel and consistency of this over the Milk makeup. So I'm gonna have to keep you guys updated because obviously today's my first time wearing it, and I'm gonna have to do like a couple wear tests where I only put it on half my face. But I love how lightweight this feels, and I'm so excited. A hydrating product is finally coming to One Size. I'm keeping my eyes peeled. Maybe we're on the trajectory of more hydrating products coming from the brand because they launch great quality products. So excited about this. It's also supposed to smooth skin texture and provide a healthy looking glow, which it did leave that glow behind. So far I'm really enjoying this product. It does have a nice glass bottle as well. Okay, Sephora collection launched a few things that caught my eye. So the first thing, I bought a terrible color. I need to exchange this, but the Sephora collection Best Skin Ever line launched a glow concealer. Now, I've got to be honest, I haven't had the best experience with the Best Skin Ever line. There's a foundation and then a more fuller coverage concealer, but what appealed to me about this is a glow product, and I have been loving like a glowy, lighter coverage concealer because I haven't been wearing as much coverage. Ever since I moved to Miami, I can't do the coverage. So this I picked up in the shade Light Beige. I don't know why. Like, I purchased this online, so that's where the issue came in hand. But it is like white, like neon white pretty much. So I put just a little bit here in the inner corners, so that added at least some brightness here to my skin. But I wanted to see the finish, and it definitely has a glow, and it definitely has a light coverage. I can't say too much about it with it being such a weird shade. I couldn't apply it too much, so I'm going to exchange this for a better color eventually, but I'm excited about this. I wanted to bring this to your radar, especially if you're a fan of the Best Skin Ever line, because I know a lot of people are. The thing with Sephora collection is they are the most pretty much affordable brand at Sephora when it comes to cosmetics, and they source their products from all the right places. Like, for example, this concealer is literally made in Italy. So the way that they do it is like they source from the same factories that the other companies they get their products from, but there's no middleman. So Sephora takes home the profit, which is how they're able to keep the prices lower. So have to keep you guys updated on that. They also launched a new contour. Unfortunately, they were sold out of it at my store, so I couldn't get that in my hands. It had to be like shipped and all of that, so I was like, never mind. But I really do have my eye on that contour. And then I've been seeing these around social media. So I really wanted to try the Colorful Luminizer from Sephora collection. I have mine in the shade number 5 Ice Pearl. I like the packaging. I like it when it's clear so that I can see the color. It has a very thin, silky feel to it. Now, it's not the silkiest in the game. It's not giving, you know, Rare Beauty or anything, but it does have a nice, light, soft weight feel. The glow of this isn't beaming. It actually is more of a natural glow from within highlight. And if you do get the shade Ice Pearl, I do notice a little bit of pink here. It's really pretty and quite soft, but it gives a really pearly look to the cheek, which is really pretty. I actually really quite like this. I normally am a little bit more wowed by highlighters that give a little bit more beam, I'm not gonna lie. And this one, it's not as smooth of a look as my most favorite highlights, but I really, really like it. It's a good, more affordable option to pick up at Sephora. Okay, I've been talking about these, telling you guys I'm gonna pick this up. And I finally did. I picked up a couple of the Hourglass Shaped and Sculpt liners. The one I wanted to pick up that was sold out was number 4. So that's a shade I want to pick up when I can. But I ended up picking up Expose 1, which is just kind of like a light nude beige color. And then I also picked up the shade Temp 3, which is like a mid-tone rosy pink color. I normally like one beige shade and then one pink, but I definitely want something that's a little bit deeper in the brown family. So the Expose 1 shade is not too much deeper than my natural lip tone. So it's a really great natural lip liner on me. If you're more fair, I think you're going to love it because it's not going to be too overpowering on your skin. And then Temp 3 is kind of my perfect everyday rosy lip shade because I do naturally have a little bit of a rosy shade to my lips. So this is perfect as like a natural lip liner for that as well. I'm going to have to keep you updated on where, but these did have a really smooth application. These are giving Charlotte Tilbury, Pat McGrath kind of formulation where it is really creamy to apply and it seems definitely to set down. We're very early into the day, but I think that these are really beautiful and they applied really beautiful. The packaging is pretty plain here. It's just like a plain black base colored tip here. Honestly, there really is nothing luxurious about it like Hourglass usually delivers. But hopefully the formula will make up for that because Hourglass never disappoints. And then I also picked up on the super duper viral front. I'm so excited because these are sold out online, but they had 2 colors. Okay. But they had 2 colors in store. They actually had all of the colors in store. If you live in South Florida, the Aventura Mall, they had all of the colors. So the 2 Summer Fridays Dream Lip Oils I picked up. And this is like really viral because they're so known for their butter lip balms. And so everybody's like crazy to know what a Summer Fridays lip oil formula is like. So I picked up Blush Dreams, which is a little bit more warm. And then the deeper soft mauve shade that I have is literally named Soft Mauve. They have this nice kind of frosty packaging. Okay, I've got to be honest though, everybody is loving these. I think they're fine. I don't know. I am going to be very careful with my words because I have been up and down with my opinions on the butter lip balms, and then I recently discovered no, like they're actually super duper hydrating. So maybe that'll be how I feel about this. I'm really difficult about giving good reviews of lip products because I've got to be honest, my lips are not dry in Miami at all, which is why I thought the Summer Fridays lip butter balm was useless, and then I went over to cold temperatures and my lips were dry as heck and I used the lip butter balms and I was like, wait, these are amazing with hydration. So maybe these will also be amazing with hydration, but I cannot give a quality review on that right now. My lips just aren't dry. The pigmentation is like a medium level. I think it's perfect for a lip oil and it's pretty. It doesn't touch my Clarins though, I will say that. Now, the Clarins has more of like a jelly kind of color to it. These have a little bit more of a true pigment to them. They're thinner though. I don't think I like how thin they are, and they don't really plump or fill in the lines. Like you can see the lines on my lips right now. They soften them for sure, but I'm comparing to my Dior and my Clarins. They literally just like smooth and plump right over the lines in the lips. This doesn't look bad, but if I'm being critical here, these aren't life-changing to me. I think they're very nice, and hopefully they're going to be very hydrating, but I think they might be a little overhyped. I think people are really excited about these because they're Summer Fridays, and they are really nice. But you can't pry the Clarins lip oils out of my hands. Those are top tier, and to me, the Summer Fridays aren't touching them. But they do have really nice wearable colors. I don't know, I'm like trying to justify these and to save face so that the Summer Friday cult following doesn't attack me. Because you know what? They have a right to. I was so wrong about the lip butter balms, but I don't know about these yet. I don't know. You know I have a weakness for the Sephora Favorites kits. So new one came out, the Fresh Face Kit. And yes, I do purchase these even if I have items in them already because I like to cover them. So this one was $45 and apparently it has a $138 value. And there are 3 full-size items. This one has like more spring style packaging. The holiday favorite sets are always my favorite. But this one has a lot of really popular products and it looks like this is supposed to give almost that clean girl kind of look. I'll have to do on my TikTok like a full face using this. But let's start off with the mini products that they give. This I love, and I love these little kits by the way for travel stuff because I do travel a lot. We have the iconic Prep Set and Glow. This is a really great spray to give you like a glowy look to the face. I almost said cheek, to the whole face. They also have a mini deep bronzy sunshine drops from Drunk Elephant. You know, I think these are overrated, but I think it's awesome, like a product that's consistently selling out, they are putting in these kits. And again, this is travel friendly. This is amazing. I don't love this product personally, but so many people do. There's a mini Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. This is in the universal color, and this is really great for oily skin. If I were still doing bridal, I would definitely keep this in my kit, and I like this one because it's nice and small. So if you're a fan of this, there is a mini here. Also a mini Happy Blush from Rare Beauty, which this is going to last you a lifetime because these are so pigment. You only need the tiniest bit. So these sizes actually like should be full size for me. And this is a very pretty color. And then I'm excited about this. I don't have this. So we have a Makeup by Mario Plumping Lip Serum in Pink Glow. It doesn't have a fragrance, but I feel like I'm gonna like this. So I'm definitely keeping this one for myself. And then the 3 full-size items, not the best full-size options this time around, but there's a Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, which honestly is pretty good. I don't think it's their best work, but it is a nice mascara. Like I always hold on to these and just keep them around. There also is a Huda Beauty Long Wear Eye Pencil, and this is in Very Brown, and it's a kohl. I think brown eyeliners are so underloved. They deserve so much more hype, and sorry, I just broke the tip because I opened it too aggressively. But anyways, a kohl liner like this is so great for smudging in the waterline and in the lash line to get a smoky look. So I'm excited to add this to my collection. I haven't tried this formula, but from swatching it on my hand, it was very creamy. And then I hate this lip liner. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection in Puffy Nude. Honestly, beautiful color. This whole range has beautiful colors. However, this is like plumping, but it really just like burns my lips so bad. And the burning sensation lasts for like 30 minutes. It's insane and insanely uncomfortable. So if you like that burning, spicy feeling on your lips, you might love this, but it is quite intense. I'm somebody who can handle a lip plumper, but this, too intense for me. But anyways, I'm excited because I saw this and I was like, I want to use this because I feel like I can get a really nice fresh face look with this kit, with it only being $45. In terms of Sephora prices, if you're to buy these individually, right, this is such a phenomenal way to try multiple trending products without breaking the bank. Because, I mean, 1 or 2 of these products is all you could get if you bought these full-sized. Okay, I saw the neatest thing. I didn't realize. So Sephora has these little foundation sample tester bags. They're $10, which I know sounds crazy, but honestly, listen up. So you would choose like light skin tone, like medium skin tone. They give you that option, and then they give you a few different foundation samples. Now, what business do I have with foundation samples? I like to use these to travel, but if not, if you're not planning on traveling, these are a great way to test out multiple formulations and find your correct color. So the samples that they give you, we have the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear, a very popular foundation. They also give you a couple shades for the Care and Glow Teint Idole from Lancome. That's a beautiful formula. One of my all-time favorite foundations, you have Luminous Silk in here. And then you also have the Say Glowy Super Skin Serum Foundation. This is a newish one, very trendy, really beautiful. Like all of the foundations that they give you samples for are pretty great. Even like the Lancome Teint Idole, it's not my favorite, but oily skin people might love it. And there also is the HD Skin Foundation from Makeup Forever in this kit. And then the cutest, tiniest baby beauty blender. Why would they give this? I don't know, but I am so happy about this. This is really taking minis to a whole new level. I probably would pay $10 just for this tiny little thing. It's so ridiculous. I'm so happy about it. So yeah, some people might be frowning at me, right? It's paying $10 for samples. But hear me out. You're gonna get your money back because in it, there is a $10 coupon where you can get $10 off any of the foundations in this kit. So pretty much free samples. You get them laid out here for you, and then you get this coupon to get $10 off. I thought it was an awesome kit, so I'm really excited about this. And that is everything that I picked up from Sephora in the last couple of weeks. I have desires to pick up more, but I'm trying to calm myself. Let me know what you want to see more of, what reviews do you want, what updates do you want. Of course, I will be updating you though on all of this stuff in my speed review series, so definitely keep an eye out for that. But Sephora and the brands at Sephora, therefore, keeping me booked and busy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Sephora haul. If you picked up anything recently from Sephora, let me know what they were. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys, have a good one.